Hey beauties, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am so excited, I'm so happy, I'm so gracious for your support. Oh my god, I'm at 100 people. Me there 100. Me there 100. Yes. You know what? This video is not even for me. This video is for you. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I am excited and I'm going to continue this journey. People, you guys motivate me. I'm not lying. Guys, may I tell you, I want to start this. I start this about 2 months ago or so. Yes. And but I have 5 subscribers. I said, what wait? 5? What 5 ago? Yes, I'm saying I need look more. So I'm saying, you know what? I'm gonna continue. Even though I felt discouraged, I said, you know what? I'm going to press on. I'm going to do it and see how it goes. Isn't me? So I'm just try this thing. But when we realized I'm reached 30, this is rot. My God, I can do better. Then we reach 60. And you know what? I need to thank It's Peng TV. Girl, my thank you. Thank you so much for advertising and sharing my videos. Guys, no, I'm proud of you. I feel so nice right now. I'm feeling joyous. I feel so bright. It's because I'm happy. I'm so happy. Thank you all for subscribing, and I want us to move further. So I'll come with more videos, and you know, I get to know each other and thing. Welcome if you're new here right now. If you're new, welcome to the Dekibu family. Yes, welcome. You are all welcome. Yes, guys, I don't know. I don't know. Today is like the best day of my life right now. It's the best day of my life. I'm happy that I've made it thus far, and I know some months to come it's go grow. And guys, remember for comment, remember for like up my video, them and share and subscribe and everything. Tell a friend, because we need this to go global. You see me? Yeah, so guys, I thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for commenting, liking. I want to big up everybody want to watch this. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Comment down in the comment section right now. Big up on yourself. Guys, let me tell you, it's not easy. It is not easy to do YouTube. It's not. Especially when you have work, you have school, you have all sort of things to do. Guys, may I tell you, and I believe this is my passion. I don't know why, but you know, I always find time for make my video. Even if I'm not right now, it's night time I make my video. I make it so that you can see it and you can be glad when you see this video, because they are big up on yourself. Yeah, it's not easy, me I tell you, it's too easy. But guys, it's not easy to do this. This is what I like. This is what I like. I like to go out there. I don't know. I feel like I have a passion. I have a passion to talk. I hear me chat too much, but I have a passion to talk to people and things, get to know people and them things there. Because on a different level, guys, I am a nice person. I don't know, I'm too nice. And guys, just know that I am so happy and gracious. Could reach where me there right now if I never all uno. I thank you all. And guys, want to go over my cousin's channel. I go put it right here, so I'm gonna go over there and go subscribe to her. Show her some love too. Thank you very much. Alright, so that was the end of my video. Like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to comment down, write yourself down below. Comment 100 subscribers. Yes, I reach 100, 100. Yes, so bye. Thank you all.